Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will discuss and learn the most important topic, that is the solvation and hydration. So what is a solvation process? We can define it as the process during which the solvent molecule surround and interact with solute ion is called solvation. Solvation is the general terms for all the solvent, and if the solvent is water, then the solvation is also called hydration. So the process during which the water molecules surrounded and interact with solute ion is called hydration. We can explain it as if an ionic solute is added to a polar solvent. The polar solvent, that is water. The positive pole of the solvent molecule attract the negative ions, and the negative pole of the solvent molecule attract the positive ion of the solute. In this way, the attractive force between the positive and negative ions of solute break, and they move far apart from each other. So both the positive and negative ions of the solute are surrounded by a sphere of solvent molecule and keep them in the dissolved form. This is called solvation. We have the solvent as a water, and the solute is the ionic salt, that is potassium chloride. Then the potassium chloride will ionize in water into potassium ion and chloride ion, as you can see in the equation. After this, the potassium ion will be attracted by the negative end of the water molecule, and the chloride ions will be attracted by the positive end of the water molecule. We know that water is a polar molecule and it has the positive as well as negative pole. That is, the positive side of it is hydrogen and the negative sides of it is oxygen. So the ionic compound are solvated by the polar solvent like water. Say that when the positive ion of the solute is surrounded by the negative side of the water, and the negative ions of the solute are surrounded by the positive sides of the water molecule or any other solvent, then this process is called solvation, and in case of water this is called hydration. So the surrounding of the ions by the solvent is called solvation. That's for all today the learner. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and fellows. Thanks for watching.